First, place a suitable dark color background. Type your text. Make a copy by pressing Ctrl+J. Then hide the original text layer. Open blending options and add these settings. To add the gradient, follow these steps. Copy these color codes and knot positions. Then click OK. Select the text layer and press Ctrl+T. You can see the point position by here. Click on this square and active it. Make sure the position in the middle of the text layer. Here are the X and Y positions of this layer. Type +1 to the X position, then click Enter. Then type +1 to the Y position and click Enter. Click here to enter. Make copies by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T. Make 30 copies like this. Leave the top 4 text layers and group the others. Select the fourth layer from the remaining layers. Hide the others. Open blending options and add these settings. To add the gradient, follow these steps. Copy these color codes and knot positions. Then unhide the next layer. Follow these steps. Then next one. Use these settings. Then unhide the next layer. Open blending options and add these settings. Group these 4 layers. You can resize the text by selecting those groups and pressing Ctrl T. Now it's done.